In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Alibaba seller account. We'll walk through the exact path on the site, and I'll share tips so you set things up correctly the first time. First, open your web browser and head to Alibaba.com, the global marketplace for B2B trade. Make sure you're on the official site and that the address bar shows a secure connection. From the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. The seller tools live in the footer, and that's where you'll find the link you need. At the bottom of the page, click Start Selling. This takes you to the seller registration flow. The page may look slightly different depending on your region, but the information Alibaba requests is standard. Begin by entering your company name. Use the exact legal name that appears on your business documents. Consistency here helps later with verification and avoids delays. If your company operates under a brand name, you can add that to your store later. For now, focus on the registered entity name. Next, enter your mobile number. Choose the correct country code from the drop-down and provide a number you actively use, since Alibaba may send a verification code or reach out for onboarding. Avoid temporary or shared numbers so you don't run into access issues down the line. You'll then choose your business type. Pick the option that best describes how you operate, such as manufacturer or trading company. This selection shapes how buyers see your profile and can influence the tools and categories highlighted in your dashboard. If you're unsure, choose the closest match. You can refine your profile details later. When everything looks accurate, click Submit this. Take a moment to review your entries before you proceed. Submitting with clean, correct information usually speeds up review. From here, follow the on-screen progress steps until your seller account is created, or select Start Sell Now if that button appears. The system will guide you through any remaining prompts, which may include basic contact details, your business location, primary product categories, and, in some regions, verification. Provide documents only if requested, keep files clear and legible, and complete each prompt before moving on. Once you reach your seller center, you're ready to explore your dashboard, finalize your profile, and prepare product listings. That's the full setup path on Alibaba, from homepage to seller account. Pause and rewind if you need to review any part, and when you're ready, follow these steps to get your store live.